Now she's got the good. I wonder why. Now she's got the good. Now she's got the good. I wonder why. Now she's got the good. Now she's got the good.
Chat, what's good? What's poppin', man? So, Mr. and Mrs. Chat. We're back. What's good, Malenko? Rifle, Yasir, Victory Settings, Andreas, Rays, what's good? Chat, come say hi, man. What's poppin'? Yo, TP hit on the initial position, by the way. Start. I'm joking. Alright, cool. Okay, we've got news in 15 minutes here. Let's see exactly what we can do. What's good, Noodle Holtz, Mr. Kata, Scott, what's good? I know, bro. Nice little TP hit. What's good? What's good, Jar? Casey, JJ. Nice. Right, listen. As I said, you got, what news is it? Fucking ADP, non-farm employment change. ISM services PMI later, but for right now we got NFE. I'm joking, but yeah, man. Look, 4-hour time frame has made a top wick, flip bearish, same as the daily. Push back down now. I'm just kind of thinking here we might, and I hate to say this, chat. Wait, music might be a bit loud. One sec. It's a bit loud for me. Wait. Okay, cool. I'm kind of thinking, I hate to say it, but it might be a head, shoulders, knees and toes, right? Like you actually have. You have a wick off pattern here. I can't lie. So, yeah, we might be looking at some sells here. We'll see. But at the minute, we're stuck in this little shitty range. Until we break out of that, we can't really decide. But yeah, look at this. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. Even the 4 hours in a range, which is crazy. But on the 1 hour, again, it's going to be the same levels as before, like the exact same levels. We literally tapped on the dot what we were looking for here. So in terms of buys, obviously I need to see above 26.48, or obviously we can play in the range as well. But then the bottom of this range here is going to be down at 26.35.8. Around that area there. Once you close below there, you should be good to go. Realistically, we might be doing that now. Chat, if we close below this range, right? Actually, wait, let me just check the 15 levels. I'm going to move this down towards the 15 levels. If you close below on the 15, get a nice little top wick, and then we can have a sell stop on the flip. That'd be a nice play as well. But then, realistically, on the 1 hour, you do have room all the way down towards 26, 27. And obviously, if you close back above here, which is a while away, you got 25, 26, 26, 56, sorry. And yeah, that's it. Good afternoon, G. Just bumped here to say good luck to all of you for NY session. Appreciate it, Creed. Appreciate it, my boy. Chat, we're ripping right now. Case of Dream was good. Julian was good. All right, chat. All right. I actually have so much to do this week. I'm so busy. I was just thinking in my head what I need to do after stream. But let's lock it in here. A lot of potential right now. It's pushing. It's pushing. It came and hit our TP and then decided to drop back down. So, yeah, listen, drop a like if you haven't already. Might actually finally get a closure outside the range. Let me open this brokerage right now. Or it might not even just want to close. It might just fill the range straight away. It's been so long. Might just be like, yo, we're good here. Let's just rip down. We'll see. We shall see. Starting to reject a little bit too. 5 minute closed. Oh. If there wasn't news right now, chat, that might be a little bit clean. But you got news in 10 minutes. I'm not trying to get stuck in a trade just before news. Okay. Cool. Oh, wait, I'm still blacked out. One sec. Yeah, there you go. My bad. So, if you do close below here, chat, you have room all the way to 26, 27. That's like a 100 pip range right now. Stops are okay at the minute. They might get a little bit big by the time news happens, but we'll see. Again, I think the play for right now is if we can close below this range, get a top wick and a flip, that's going to be what we'll look for in terms of sells on news. Otherwise, if you close back within this level like this, it's going to be vice versa, right? If you respect the level, then guess what? You're just going to continue all the way back up towards the highs. What's good, Tremlin? How's it going, man? Yeah, chat. Okay, cool. Let me change accounts. That was actually a well-managed trade earlier. I don't mind it. I don't mind that at all. Okay, another bling, and then we're good. Boom. Nice. Yeah, how was everyone else's day, though? You guys catch anything? Yeah, a trade? Yeah, we had 2 in London session on stream. We had 1 win, 1 loss. The win was like 15 pips, the loss was like 5 pips. So yeah. Yeah, buys. Fat rejection indeed. In buys? Where'd you get the buys from, Jar? Down here. Whoa. So it looks like we do want to continue to range, chat. Can't lie though, that position earlier was techie. Like, we managed risk quite well because it came back down, but then it just decided for no reason to rip up. 2 small wins after London stream. Good shit, Levi. Good shit, man. What's good, Gib? What's good, MC? Yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. Delicious. Delicioso. On top, indeed. Mark, what's good? What's good? Ah, this is ripping, you know. 5 minutes still has no bottom wick though. It's mental. Just pushed up absolutely 0 bottom wick. To be fair, it has done in the past, right? So I don't. Yeah. Interesting. I don't think that's an issue, to be honest. I think you're good to go here, especially if this 15 can close bullish. You got the zoo indicators on. I know, bro's got the fucking Safari Park trading course. Closed for. Clean, Mr. Jar. Good stuff. Kenyan line indicator. Bro, this guy Eugene, I can't even open Discord for some reason, but got in at 40 and read it to 46, then hopped in a sell at 43. GG's. Nice, bro. Yeah, man, I can't take anything now because the news obviously in 5 minutes. But if this 15 does close bullish, we'll look for some buys. As long as news comes down first, right? This range is crazy. How long have we been in this range for? Go on the 1 hour real quick. Technically, this overall range, including this, we've been in it for what? Like, oh, over a week, 7 days, 16 hours. Insane, chat. That's ridiculous. I've never seen anything like this, to be honest, in a while. Where can I watch the news live? Just go to forexfactory.com. You can't really watch it. It just comes out like it's just numbers that come out, but you'll see it on the charts as well. 5 minute closed here. How did it close? Bullish top wick, bottom wick first as well, chat. Nice little flip on there. You're good to go. But it did tap this level here at 26.38 too. Let's see what we can do today, chat. Grabbed a lot of liquidity. Yeah, chat, I'm going to be back in 2 minutes, yeah? I just need to go wash my hands, I can't lie. Right, 1 sec. Right. Decent here. What's good? So, not random. It's not random. It's not random. It might be random. It might be random, you know. Chat, 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes here till news. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna close? If we close below, chat, I don't know what to say, man. It's gonna be an interesting one. Very, very interesting, chat. 15 looks so clean as well. Yeah, what are they expecting? Good, bad, mid. We're expecting, whoa, we're expecting bad numbers, right? The gold should push up. Nah, it's not about whether or not the numbers are high or low. It's about whether they're higher or lower than they expect. So even though they're going to be way lower than the previous, which is 233k, it's about whether, Eugene, bro. It's about whether or not it's above or below this that actually matters. Information mark trading, it's not random, it's not random. You're an idiot. I'm gonna need to use that command. Alright, fine, you can have it. Tried to hide it? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know, he didn't spam quick enough though. Alright, 1 minute. Those lines you set up, which is your TP and SL? No, none of these. These are just support and resistance areas. Yeah, it's just like areas that I need to see like price close below. But chat, look, the 15 minute does seem to want to close below the level here. If you do close below, like you have to close actually below, right? Not right at it, like this. Close right at it, I don't even know what to do. Yeah, Jed, basically I'll add the, when I'm in a position, you'll see like something like this on screen, right? And then this will be my stop loss and this will be my take profit. But right now we're just waiting. Forecast is higher than the previous. Yeah. Well, it's about higher than the expected, not about the previous. Why you closed this trade in the morning? I didn't like the way price was moving, bro. It was too unpredictable, and then the 15 came up no top wick. It was rejecting off this level over and over. To be honest, I was pretty certain that 4 hours going to flip and stop us out. Either way, I'd probably do the same thing again. Chat, hang on, lock it in here. 20 seconds. If we come up first with a top wick, chat, and we're below on here, we'll look to take a sell stop on the flip. Okay? Let's see though. How are we going to push here? How did the news come out, chat? It's really not the push I expected, but chat, I will have a sell stop on the flip here. Forex factory. How did the numbers come out? 146. Came out lower than expected. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. That's technically bullish for gold, right? Technically bullish for gold, but still, I think if this position flips, realistically, you should be good to drive down. Very bullish. 30 flipping. Not very bullish, it's like a little bit. It's 146 compared to 152. Huh? Yeah, 30 flipping. I'm not too sure about the 30 flip, to be fair. At the same time, chat, this has no reason to flip and push down. If the 30 breaks its own high, I will delete though. Most likely. Yeah. Alright, chat, I'm going to delete this. I was expecting a quick push up and a flip if it was going to do anything, which is our standard news position. But it didn't do that. News is bullish for gold as well. When I see those flips, I don't want it to do stuff like this and like build a bit of structure on the one. I want it to like actually like pop up and flip. Plus, you did respect technically on the 30, which is probably the most important thing here. $15 still does have no bottom wick, which is the only thing I'm thinking about here. You do technically need one. I'm not trying to take sells here, to be honest. 30-minute closure here in about 10 minutes, or 12 minutes, sorry. That's realistically going to give you the best opportunity. Yeah. 4-hour close soon as well, but not too stressed about that. Yeah. Bro. Allow it with the FBGs. I'm in. In what, buys? Yeah, I think it makes sense. I think that makes sense. Just need a closure. Yeah, we took 2 trades already this morning. I swear, like, gold's like a bus, right? What's that saying? It's like waiting for a bus for hours and then 3 come at once or 2 come at once or whatever. I don't know. Some bullshit, but... yeah, interesting. Okay, let me write some shit down real quick. What the fuck did you say? Bro, that's a saying, no? Pretty sure that's a common saying amongst older folk. Cool. Chat, if we can close like this in 30 minutes, I reckon we're chilling for some positions here. I reckon we're looking good here, to be honest. Can't lie. Range is crazy. If you can catch a position at the bottom of this range and let it follow up, you got runners like earlier, right? The only problem was we caught it in the middle of the range, which was probably the main issue we had. Other thing is this might run without you, right? That's the main problem. How's everyone's week been so far though? We're like halfway through. First week of the month. It's been an interesting one, to be honest. We waited 2 days for a position. First position was a dub. Second one, tiny loss. Very interesting week, I can't lie. Goodwill. Yeah, chat, I was looking at that position we took earlier. I don't think there's anything else I could have done here. We managed right here for like a 5 pip loss or something. No, it was like here. And then it just continued to range for a little bit. Then it just popped. But it could have popped the other way. Had to learn my loss from 13 to 10. The ranges are just so big at the moment, but W weak. Yeah, W, bro. That's the... yeah. The ranges are massive. That's very true. Oh, lots. Sorry, my bad, yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad shout to lower your lots, actually. I've just been waiting for positions that aren't too big stops, but you can lower it as well. No trades for the first 2 days. Today, 4 trades. That's exactly how it goes. All of your trades are done live? Yeah. Yeah. All of them. Well, there's a few that aren't, and they're in signals, right? So it gets sent automatically. But technically, every trade I've taken has been taken live. That's the mad thing, bro. I haven't taken a single trade that hasn't been in front of like an audience or like the signals group for the entirety of 2024. Crazy. Apart from a few when the bot broke, which was which was annoying because they were all wins as well. God, gold is ripping right now. Holy shit. But there was no buys because the 15 still had no bottom wick, right? Tough. Taking a break over the Christmas period, apart from Christmas Boxing Day. I can't remember. How does the market work? It's closed for Christmas and Boxing Day and then back open, right? I'll definitely be trading no matter what, right? But I have a busy schedule over Christmas, which is fucking gonna be interesting. I'm like traveling pretty much non-stop. So like this week I'm going skiing with Kata. Next weekend I'm gonna be in Italy. The weekend after that I'm gonna be in Germany. And then the weekend after that, which I think is New Year's, or maybe the week after that, I'll be in like another country. So I don't know how much I'll be able to stream. Hopefully as much as possible. To Germany? I'm always in Germany, bro. I mean, I've been like, this year I've probably been to Germany like 15 times. Yes, sir. Deutschland. Where though? Near Düsseldorf. Near Düsseldorf. What do you do in Germany? I just do bits and bobs. Just out and about. You know what I mean? Catching a vibe here and there. Yeah, some shenanigans. Not much else, to be honest. Yeah. What do I need to do today? Someone tell me. Got 20 quid for me? Oh, you need to shush. You owe me money. Bro, I didn't realize how big Germany is though. Like, from one side to the other, it's like 10 hours or something stupid. It's fucking crazy. No, it might be even more. I made you some bread? No, you didn't. You never made me bread. Yeah. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I played Call of Duty yesterday for the first time in years. I'm actually gonna go pro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm the sickest in the game. Like with the starter guns as well, I was whapping people up. Like, you don't even know. That's probably the only time I'll play it. But can't lie, different gravy. I got a phone call from the SAS right afterwards saying, "You've done so well. You wanna come and, you know, sign on and join the regiment?" I was like, maybe. So we'll chat to him. 30 card head. Bro, I never played that shit for so long, and then I was like, you know what, let me just play it for one time. This guy, I can't. Bought at 36, closed at 43. W. Drop back down to one stream a day. What do you think? Actually, one longer stream for London. That might be a better way to do this. Yeah, we pretty much filled the range, which is insane. Pushed up like 140 pips right now. I think, to be honest, would be more exhausting than this. I'm not gonna do it all the way through, bro. I'm gonna do it like we used to, right? How many streams a day do you do? 2 at the minute. We stream London and New York every day. But I don't know. I'm super busy at the minute, and I'm getting everything done. Don't get me wrong, but it's just a little bit easier if I have to only stream once. I like streaming though. It's just, especially since like more people turn up to London. Plus, the shadow ban that YouTube has me on is really annoying. Can you sing a Christmas song? No. 30-minute closes here in a minute, but again, I don't really know what. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. I need to explain. We get it. Gosh. Now we'll see. I'll continue for now, but we'll see. I'll probably also just make New York stream in the Discord, like in the private group. Oh. Are you watching any Forex pairs? No, I just trade gold at the minute. Just too low? I think it is. I think you might have your volume too low. Yeah, either way. Yes, sir. I appreciate you, Scott. Oh, maybe the music's too loud. That should be okay. What do you mean by London and New York? Sorry, time zones different, but is there different markets? Yes, you have London. You have the London markets, like the London Stock Exchange. You have the New York Stock Exchange. You also have the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and they all open at different times, obviously due to the fact that they're in different time zones. So, like, for example, the London Stock Exchange opens like normal, like 8 till 5 in London, and then you've got New York, which opens at like 2:30ish, because that's when their 8 is, or their 8:30 or whatever. And then you've got Tokyo, which is like, I don't even know, I've never traded Tokyo. 2 a.m. I think Tokyo opens at 2 a.m. for the UK time. That's when there's the most volume, right? Okay, so Sydney's a different market. Sydney opens a little bit before Tokyo. That's when like market opens. That's when the rollover finishes, right? Like at 11 o'clock UK time, Sydney opens. Then that leads into like 2 o'clock, I think, when Tokyo. Those questions must be jarring, but jumping on the page soon. You're good, bro. Don't worry. That's the reason I'm here, is to answer as many questions as people have. I want to help out, you know? But I appreciate that, and we'll see you in there soon. You can get rid of this dang range. I know, bro. It's tough. 30-minute closed. Pretty much no top wick. Oh boy, how you doing? I'm good, bro. I'm good, Joshua. The thing I'm seeing though is we did sweep liquidity here. Like, we did actually sweep a decent amount of liquidity. So you now start to close back above. It might be the, you know, the time where you actually break above. Place a trade. We had 2 earlier, but not right now. You have your own broker for loading up my paid account? I don't have my own broker. I fucking wish one day, but I recommend AvaTrade. That's the broker I use. I don't know. Are they still taking on US clients? Oh wait, not US clients, UK clients. I think they might have stopped taking on UK clients. I don't know. Do you trade the most? Gold. Pretty much always gold, right? But chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys for pulling up to the streams, man. It means a lot. So yeah, drop a like as well. Make sure you do that. Right, I can't wait. Chat, I'm gonna move places soon, probably in the New Year's. I'm gonna get the craziest setup, like the craziest setup imaginable. Oh, chat, look at this. I didn't want to sell the top of this range because I thought that we swept enough liquidity to break through. But now that you're doing this, chat, if you get a 5-minute closing bearish, we'll look to take some sells. Oh, what's the 4-hour doing though? Wait. 4-hour has flipped. Dropping off now, mate. Thanks for answering all my questions. Yeah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. Have a good one. See you soon. Daily also flipped here. Interesting, chat. Good, Geordie. Yeah, we could take a look at some sells. To be fair, I think we might just continue to range. These ranges are massive though, and like top's already become like, I mean it's 30 pips, it's not bad, but let's see how this 5 closes. Jobs data, yeah, it's no, it's NFP, not NFP, non-farm employment change. Yeah, that is NFP, no? Or was that Friday? Wait, what's the difference? I know I'm meant to know this shit. Oh no, it is PMI later. It is PMI. My bad. But tomorrow, okay, yeah, okay. I'm just tripping myself up. So ADP, non-farm employment change, and then you have just normal non-farm employment change. Just know so many people took that closure below the range too. That's why you wait for a liquidity grab and then a flip, right? Otherwise, it's not valid. Textbook fake out. These cells look clean if you can leave a bottom wick. Love the course, SG. Hey, let's go, Suskin. I appreciate that, man. Really do appreciate that. That means a lot. Yeah, the course is out, by the way, chat, for the people in the paid group. So if you do want access to that, go to wap.com/trendlines. You can get access. Yo, can we pull back, please? Please. No way. No bottom wick. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we wait for gold buy for it to go outside of the top of the range, form a bottom wick. You set a buy stop at the wick of the previous candle and enter. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, you can set it on the flip of the candle too, but it's similar to that, yeah. But right now, we're just going to continue to range. I'm looking for an inter-range play, but we just don't have access to it because it keeps just pushing without closures. Seeing a lot of new traders in the chat. We're really growing. Yeah, I love that, man. Welcome to everyone who's new. Bro, we're still getting shadow banned though. It's fucking crazy. Like 50 viewers. We had 200 last week. I don't know what YouTube's doing. It might be because I played some copyright music, but still, like, I don't know what the fuck YouTube's playing at. But yeah, no, we definitely are growing, which is great to see. I do appreciate everyone who's new here. Stick around for a few months and you'll learn very quickly, I promise. They need to slow us down somehow. Yeah, that's what it is. They needed to nerf us. They had to put a nerf on TRLS. Okay, chat. You're pushing back up here after closing no bottom wick. The big boys are not liking these streams. Too much value. I know, bro. Might have to move it to the Discord. I can't lie. So that we can do what we want. 15-minute close in 8 minutes, chat. If you close bearish, we'll look for the sells again. I would like it to actually break out the top of that range though, and like even just sweep the highs, and then we can look for some sells. Play some bangers on Discord. Yeah, that's the thing as well. I can play some music. I can do whatever I want. Yeah, it's definitely the move. Chat, what do I train today at the gym? I might get some shoulders in. Shoulders and abs? Yo, Sinner, that's crazy. You read my mind, bro. You literally just read my mind. I said that before you even sent the message. Yeah, shoulders and abs, I think. What about you guys, chat? Yeah, same for you, Kata. Nice. Never saw such a long range. It's going to be a fat breakout. Just faking out at the minute there. Got legs today. Yeah, I like to use shoulder days to like really just allow me to skip leg day one more day. Like I just throw one in. If it's leg day and I don't really want to do it, stick a shoulder day in there. Such a textbook tool. You can utilize it extremely well. You go push pull legs, and then if you're feeling tired, you go push pull shoulders, legs. Give yourself an extra day. Yeah, my idea as well at this point, we may come for an actual breakout, then fake out, come back down. Otherwise, we're going to be struggling again like we made in London because the range is a bit choppy. Yeah, the range is super choppy. Yeah, man. Push pull. Get the yeah course as well. Yeah course. Fucking used to love that. All right, chat. Look, pushing towards the top of the level. What are we gonna do here? Realistically, you're gonna at least see another tap into the top of the range here. Hopefully, you can come and sweep some liquidity. Domino's or Papa John's, bro. If you're eating either of those pizzas, you're tapped. Both of them are tapped. In fact, I don't think I've had Papa John's, but I know it's tapped. Domino's is actually terrible. Like, really bad. Let's see. I've never had a Domino's. Yeah. Papa John's bigger pizza. Tyler, you disappoint me, G. You disappoint me. You can't be eating that. Whoa. Do they even have it in Jersey, Scott? I haven't had it for a long while. Yeah, okay, good. Bro, I actually can't lie. It sounds super, it sounds really fucking, what's it called? Pretentious. But since I went to Italy and had pizza, I haven't had pizza in the UK. Not once. Only pizza place over here is Pizza Express? Of course it is. Does the UK have Pizza Hut? Yeah, we do. Local kebab shop pizza is crazy. Alright, chat. 15 closing here in, whoa, 4 minutes. A lot of volume. 5 minute just opened up. About to rip down. My local pizzeria is elite, I don't know. Nah, I think little pizzerias are alright, yeah, some of them. Big, massive pizza in the kebab shop, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, what is it they have in Australia again? Those big, like, boxes full of fucking chips and meat or whatever it is. Everyone raves about them. I can't remember what they're called, bro. Not Donna, bro. It's like it's like 3 letters or something. Vegemite pizza. What's it called, bro? HSP, that's what it is. Allow snack pack. That's what everyone raves about. Like, I got some boys in Australia, they always talk about it. Alright, chat, 15 minutes snack pack. 15 minutes closing and 2 minutes here, chat. 2 minutes. Can't order food over here like you can over there. There's no delivery or whatever. Yeah, that's crazy, to be fair. But where did I used to go to eat in Jersey? I remember. What those apps called? Like Deliveroo and Uber Eats and all that stuff. But I can't lie. That is one of the best inventions ever. Deliveroo. One of the best inventions ever. Whoever thought of it. I guess it started with the American one, right? My high school meal? Yeah, fire. I can't lie, like, bro, what I've started doing is so bad as well, but every day after the gym, I'll just like, before I drive, yeah, on the way home, I'll like, order some food, and by the time you get home, it's there. It's fucking sick. Uber's up there. Uber's good. Good invention. Such a good business idea as well. Chat. -15-minute closing bearish. Needs to close a little stronger bearish in my opinion. Do you reckon we'll start completing the full course before we start trading with real money? Yeah, so the course will take you through it, right? Like at one point you'll be in a live account, then you'll be in a then you'll be, at one point you'll be in a demo, then you go small live. But learn at least the basics, for at least the most of the strategy first, I'd say, yeah. Three to 4 days for delivery on Amazon is crazy. To be fair, I'm surprised we don't have same-day delivery on Amazon now. Take an industry and make it faster, cheaper, or more convenient. Uber Brass. Uber Brass is crazy. Devious work, chat. In the works. You just made a top wick and flipped on the 15 here. Realistically, you should probably fill this wick. Only concern is it didn't really make enough of a top wick, and you closed doji, and you have a 4-hour close in 15 minutes. I'm just going to wait and see what the 4-hour does. I just want to see what that does, to be honest. An army of Johns is fucking insane. Best cheap food plus load of food because a lot of food factories. I moved to South Australia for citizens' purpose. Food here is expensive. Yeah. Oh, I hear that, bro. I hear that. You're chefing it up, so you're living good, bro. Everything comes over on a boat? So they don't have any Amazon depots or anything. It's all coming over on a boat. That's mad. But Jersey's big. I'm surprised they haven't done that yet. Yo, Scott, just invent an app that's Deliveroo but Jersey. Bro, you could charge a fortune for it as well. It's full of rich people. They would definitely use it too. Such a fucking gap in the market. Probably no one's actually thought of Jersey. Like, none of the big companies. Bro, get it going. I'll invest. Get a load of people on. Oh, the thing is, who's gonna fucking ride the bikes though? That's probably why they haven't done it. It's because no one wants to do, like, everyone in Jersey's got enough money to they don't need to ride deliver. Oh, you could get fucking like 18-year-olds to do it who want to make some money. Get it going, man. Genuinely not a bad idea in my opinion. Good M10, how's it going, bro? Businesses don't want all their profits going to the big boys. Yeah, but why has no one done a Deliveroo out there? I'm trying to figure out. Especially because there's actually nice food there too. And people with money. I guess people aren't that busy. Your business HQ in Jersey and you'll have no corporation or business tax. Yeah, but can you do that? Don't you have to be a citizen? I'm pretty sure you have to be a citizen, like Jar said. Apple have their HQ over here. Everyone does it. Oh, crazy. That's sick. Scott, set me up a little company. I'll pay you. Actually, could be a really good move. Wait, Scott, I'm actually going to hit you up because I need to figure that out. That'd be such a good idea. Malta the same. Yeah, Gibraltar too. There's loads of them. We used to go to Gibraltar quite a lot for that reason. Oh, my HQ in Malta? No way, bro. Why the fuck am I incorporated in the UK? A lot of banks set up over here. Wait, so can you incorporate in Jersey without being a citizen? Oh. Right, Scott, I'm coming to visit you. We're sorting this out right now, because fuck that. Let's see, I've got a question. What's good, Danny? What do I incorporate in? Yo, Scott, do you know how to do it? If so... Yeah, it's easy as fuck, bro. All right. DM me after this. What is this, bro? I'm just talking about setting up a company. Probably shouldn't talk about it on YouTube, actually. Now that I think about it. Most of the times you start the stream at around 1. Sometimes you don't take a trade on stream. Do you just end stream and take a trade when the confluences are right? Yeah, like if the 4 hour and everything isn't lining up, then I'm just not going to stay on here for no reason. I most of the time go to the gym straight afterwards. And then I'm looking at the charts whilst I'm at the gym, but yeah. It could be done like, yo. You just pay no tax instantly. It's easy in the UK too, but I didn't even think about that. Oh my days, wait, I have a sick idea. I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, you just actually hooked me up. I figured it out. Four hour closing in 6 minutes here. Let's guess. Nah, we'll see. We are pushing here, chat, so it might be alright. We might get some... I don't know. Let's see. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, man. Cooked for another hour, then news. If there's no top wick right at resistance, sells are clean, but I don't think it's going to be that. You got no top wick here. It might be no top wick again, though. Well, chat, you know what I did yesterday that absolutely fucking killed my back at the gym? I did like back extensions. I've never done that before, and bro, those are nuts. That's actually sick. Like, I've never trained lower back before, which is weird, but I just never have. And now, it feels mad. Weird thing to say? I don't know. We'll make a bloody thing of it. It's important. I know, bro. I know. I don't know why I've been slacking on it, but yeah, it's mad. Not projecting off the level here. Oh, dude. Nice. Got 50, what you saying? Yeah, let's, bro, I need to see how the 4 hour closes, to be honest. You're closing within the range still, most likely. Needs to close above, right? Yeah, but it's not, it's too extended right now. It's moved too far. I don't really want to take buys here until we have a pullback. It's just moved so far. 50 is a psychological level. Yeah, it's not bad. Right there. It's pretty clean, but I just want to see it close below, tap it, and then come back down. Let's see, 3 minutes to the closure, chat. I think you need to register me as a shareholder or someone that's a resident of Jersey. then you'll have to all the benefits that you usually would take 6-7 years. Yeah, so you have to be the company secretary or something. I'll pay you, and then you don't have to do anything after that. Simples. Fucking, I'm excited. Nothing better than not paying tax. I mean, than legally, responsibly incorporating your company elsewhere. I mean, I do it for half its cost. You're not a Jersey citizen. That's the only, bro. Then you have no corporation tax, no capital gains, no inheritance tax. Yo. I can be for that. Yo. 5%? Fuck off. Nowhere near 5%. Are you joking? Not even fucking 0.5%, bro. Not financial advice, chat. Read the disclaimer in the blood clot description. Don't do I do NFA? Yeah, classic. That, to be fair, 4-hour level. Oh wait, we can actually push this up. Got me some tallow soap. Yo, Tyler, I've been looking at that shit. Tell me how it is, because I've never done it before. Can it be done automatically? It could be done automatically if I set it up, but I don't really want to get involved in that sort of thing, to be honest. Most of the time you just have to jump on and follow it, but if I wanted to... Bro, that's just a mam, isn't it? It's a mam if I set it up on copy trading. I don't really want that. Some guy done one of them before? I think so. I don't know. Chat. Mate's been using it for 2 weeks. All his skin's clear, pepper print. Yo, that's crazy. Send me a link, Tyler. Does it smell like tallow though? Because I don't really want it to smell like tallow, you know? I'm sure they fragrance it with like natural shit. Chat, alright, 4-hour closing here, respecting the level. Need a liquidity grab if I'm going to get anything here. Go bottom wick first for once. No way, we actually get a bottom wick this time, but it closes within the range. The one time we don't want a bottom wick, and it gives it to us. There's unscented, which is tallow smell, and one with charcoal. Bro, surely just gonna smell like beef the whole time though. I don't really want to smell like beef, you know. Hello, soap. Is it like this? That was 30 quid. I smell like beef is crazy. Yo. Yeah, chat, 4 hours cooked, bro. I can't lie. I'll wait for like the next 15 or something and see what we do. There might be some potential. Tyler's got me curious here about this tallow soap though. Fat cow? Oh, this one. Fucking. Okay, I can't click on that apparently. Mystery discount. Mad picture to include. Okay, chat. We can like sweep above the range and then close back in here bearish on a 15. We can look at some sells. Until then. You can't have cereal for lunch? Yeah, more red folders at 3, so you got like an hour till more red folders. Welcome back, been stuck in a traffic jam? Oh no, that's not good, G. What cereal would you have though, Huge? Yeah, true, that is a good question, Eugene. Bro, you're definitely like a bran flakes type of, no, Weetabix, isn't it? If it wasn't gonna be Weetabix, what would it be? Bro, look at this chat. Eugene yesterday just reminded me, Tyler. This guy sent me his lunch yesterday. Bro, he just sent me this out of the blue. Watch. What was this? Bro, I got so many messages. Look at this shit. How are you telling me this guy's eating tuna and bacon? That's brazy, no? That's it on a plate. Tuna and bacon. And the bacon, yeah, is pretty raw, I can't lie. Brazy dinner. You're tapped. There's something different inside your brain. Scalp trading on meme coins. Yo, it actually might be worth a try, you know. It could be quite funny. Just find a meme coin that's dipping and just stick a fat bag into it. It's possible. But nah, this is gold. Yeah, this is pretty clean though. You just popped above the range here right now, which is good. You can now close back below. Otherwise, you might actually just end up closing above here and then that's it. This might be what we're looking for though. You did pop above the range here. If you can come back down now and close bearish, you have some, well actually 15 minutes still has no bottom wick down here. You might try and come back and grab that at some point, but not right now probably. But the most important thing is you pushed up with like relatively minimal structure. You got a lot of room down here that's just clear. Now you're tapping into the range and rejecting. You can get a closure here in 8 minutes. You can potentially look at some sells off the top of this range. That'd be really, really nice, to be honest. Yo. Ah. Beach? Where is this? Brazil. Say less. Yeah, chat. So let's see if we can grab that. That's not a bad play, to be honest. Went to make some coffee. Welcome back, bro. So I'm definitely gonna message you afterwards about that, by the way. That's okay. It doesn't look like we want to reject here, which is interesting. I thought we would, to be fair. It looks like you might actually want to continue up. The last thing you want to do as well, chat, right now is get caught in a fake out. If you get caught in a fake out, it's a little bit difficult. Okay, 40 seconds here till you close, chat. 40 seconds. It might be cooked, chat. I'm not gonna lie, it might be cooked. Short of 50 and took 20 pips. Congrats, bro. Very strong resistance, yeah. But I want to see it close bearish. Yeah, if the 15 closes bearish, chat, we'll look for some sells. But otherwise, I'm not probably not going to take anything here because the 30 minute after that, you're getting close to news. Check crypto, chat. What's happening, bro? Bro, wait, I can't even put this on screen because I can't load Discord up. Wait. No shot. That's so fucking funny. Look at this. So someone's impersonating me on Instagram. Wait, is it going to be backwards or are you good? Someone's impersonating me on Instagram and on Discord, sorry, and this guy's messaged him saying stuff, and then the fake SG's put, bro, have you lost your mind or something? Do you even realize who you're talking to? This is SG, man, chill out. The guy replies with, you know you're poor when you impersonate someone to get money, and the fake SG goes, man, shut the fuck up, I can buy your mama a Lambo and a Cyber truck. I'm richer than your whole family, bro, so keep quiet. That's so funny, bro. Oh my days. That sounds like something you'd say. Yeah, I can buy yo mama a Lambo and a Cybertruck. For sure. Craziest thing to say, bro. It's not even like remotely believable. I don't think I've ever said the word yo or mama like that in my life. Said that to me before? Yeah, but we were talking about something different. I was actually talking about your mama. This looks interesting here. Whoa. That's crazy, Eugene. Chat, look, big drops here. Big push down. 2 minutes here to the 15-minute close, bro. Just give me a nice little sky dweller play to the bottom of the range, and I'll be happy. You can hold it forever. And ever. And ever. 25 pip stops. Lovely stuff. That's my... Bro, that is insane. Delete that. That is crazy. That's the craziest thing I think I've ever heard, legitimately. That's like borderline not funny. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, sit in the corner, yeah, bro. Put the fucking... Get him on the naughty corner. On the naughty step or whatever it is. That is... It's from another universe? Yeah, that's ridiculous. My cat ran across my keyboard. 30 push-ups now? Yeah. Bro, this guy should have a reality show. I'm not even being funny. You should have like your own series where some bloke just follows you around and just... You don't even interact with him. You just live your normal life. I'd bang on like, I don't know, Channel 4 or something. Chat, can we close bearish on the 15, please? I just asked nicely. Me? Yeah, you. I am a female police officer. Him? I know, is it he? That's so funny, bro. Chat, 29 seconds. Paused. Alright. Let's see, chat. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, 5 minute. Unplug your keyboard. Come back later when you've thought about what you've done. That one always used to get me at school. I used to get told that. Come back when you've thought about what you've done. And you're just like, what? Oh, chat, this could be clean here. Oh, it's just not enough. Like, it just didn't close strong enough. Take Discord PM recent. Look at that account pretending to be you. On TikTok, must have accidentally posted his face. No way. No way. Bro, that is fucking hilarious. That's incredible. Wait, I have to send that in. This guy forgot to delete the... Bro, this guy forgot to delete the fucking thing. Look at that. He forgot to delete the old post pretending to be me. Wait, can you guys see it properly? I don't know if you can. Bro. I'm not even gonna say it. Yeah. Crazy work. Absolutely devious work there, chat. I'm gonna make a TikTok about that guy exposing him. This is the same guy that had 10 friendines. Friendines. Is that me, yeah? Is that me? Chat. Yo, did someone clip the stuff earlier that I said to clip? I beg someone did. That was so funny. Wait, we don't have any clips from stream. Yeah, I'm gonna start fighting people. You all look the same? See no difference? Yeah, true. Bro, I'm gonna have to make a TikTok about that. That is fucking insane. Yeah, this looks so clean, but the 5 minutes just closed like so weak at the minute. I still think this pushes down, but let's see if we can get a bearish closure, like an actual nice one first. I think we continue down here. Roger showed us his second account. Yeah, it's just a filter, bro. I've just been in the sun. Say that? Yeah, I think so. I'm here with IC. I used to be. Why, Mr. Jar? Yo, this is gone. Withdraw function down right now. Always a good sign. I feel like IC are pretty reputable though. I think I still have an account over there. Let me check. Yeah, I do. No, I can still withdraw, I think. Lets you onto the withdrawal page. Yeah, pushing down here. I'm gonna wait for the 30, I think, maybe. That's the 30, just wants to fill the range as well, to the other way. Question? Gang pull up, are you gonna back your brethren? What's the question? Cooked? Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Not cooked if you can close nicely bearish, like properly. This one's, yeah, no way. Do I have bread today? I don't know, do you? I guess that's the question. Pushing back up, chat. 8 minutes here. Let's see what we do. Flags up as soon as I log in saying not available because of maintenance. I didn't get that, bro. I don't have that. Requested withdrawal and my emails just come through. Yeah, I think, Jai, it might just be you, bro. You might just be making too much money. Taking too many pips today. They're like, yeah, can't let him do this, bro. Quick, flag the account, lock him out. Yo, I'm actually gonna restructure my entire corporate structure right now, I think, today, after hearing that. Hit 5K today, chilling. Good stuff, bro. Congrats. Three eggs, one tuna. Nah, 4 eggs. Found an extra. Mental. Great commentary. Are you richer than yesterday? Yeah. Dean probably wham. Nah, he's tiny, bro. Like, what? I've met him in real life. No word of a lie, I actually met him in real life, and I had to like put him in my book bag. I had a backpack on, I had to let him climb in because the walk was too far. So he just climbed in and like had his hands on my shoulders and we were walking. Okay, chat, let's see. What is the move today? Alright, chat, 5 minutes into the 30-minute close. You look like you might be popping up. Chat, if you close above on the 30, you could potentially take some buys here. I can't lie. Stops below the previous. Bugs out on the confirmation. Interesting, bro. SG small and what? David chest. I'm gonna be back in 4 minutes for the 30-minute close, alright? I'll be back in a sec. Whoa, chat. Which went on a runner, eh? Smooth pate. Bro, pate's for fucking... Pate's one of the most suspect foods in the world. You'll never catch me eating it. Right, chat, 3 minutes into the closure. We can close like this, chat. I'll actually take some buys here, to be honest. So let us see. What's the goods? What's good, DK? Chat is clean, you know. If you get a bottom wick here, which we know you won't, but we can actually hope. If you get a bottom wick tapping into 26.49, that's how I'm 6'2". However, those are two different measurements. Yeah, I like that. That's classic. Classic play. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Nice little closure above. Oh, yeah. Advantage point at 26.53 takes you up to like 20 pips profit. Nice little wick entry as well. It'd be like 30 pips. Need to not fill the range in the last 2 minutes, chat, which is, I know, a lot to ask for with gold. I know it loves to do that, but as long as we can just pull back a little bit here, we should be good. So lock it in a little bit for this 30-minute close. 30 looks clean. Yeah, it does look nice. Need a nice little pullback, chat. We've been waiting patiently today. Gold should be able to reward us here. Brilliant. There it goes. There it goes, man. Why, gold? Why? Why? Close above 51, it's flying. Yeah, but now just filled the advantage point here. That's your next level right here, 26.52. You've now filled it. I feel like we're the most patient traders in the world. Pull back a little bit, gold, man. One minute, chat. Can we see a pullback on this last 1 minute candle? That's all we need. It's a nice little pullback. Something light. I'm on module 3 already. Been great so far. Hey, let's go, D. Bro, this is actually fucking insane. Like, I'm tripping right now. Not a single closure above, too. I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. Oh, chat, we are pulling back though. A little bit. Spoke too soon, it's gonna rip back up. I spoke too soon. Might be cooked. Why are you cooked? You in sales or something? Yeah, I hear you, Scott. I can, if you just put me in touch with them, I can definitely chat to them. Maybe even just an accountant out there. Unless you have one, then yeah, that'd be sick. But I've just looked. It's very easy to do online. I can't take a buy here, chat. I literally cannot take a buy here. You're right at the level. You literally close right at it. I think it breaks through, but I just can't take that. Oh, is that what Jimmy Carr did? Interesting. Yeah, chat, I'm done here as well. Leave, I'll see you in a bit, man. I'm gonna go to the gym as well, chat. I can't lie. This is toss. Let's play Geoguessr real quick and then we'll jump off because I don't want to look at this chart anymore. We took overall still profitable day. Only a couple of pips, I think, but we're still up for the day. The W. Yo, I don't want to do this. Yeah, I want to get out and hit the gym. So think it will need to be managed or controlled from Jersey for you to have the no corporation tax? I don't think so. From what I've seen, I think you just have to have a yeah, but I don't want to argue. I think you might be right. We'll see. I'll definitely get an I'll talk to my accountant here and I'll talk to one over there as well. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Alright, chat, join up. Join up, join up, join up. You lose is crazy. Holt's noodle. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna run it in 5, 4, 3, 2. I say less. What's the move, chat? I don't know whereabouts it was, but in the north. Poland? Nah, it was a Swiss flag. Swiss flag. It's fucking sick. Where is that? Oh, it's in the south. Decent. Decent, decent, decent. Yo, Malinka, I'm coming for you, man. Yo. Nani is a good guess, I can't lie. Yokohama or Tokyo, mad. But it's a close game. These guys saying. Alright, wait, okay. Like this is like, stick this in here somewhere. Stick it in the mixer, see what happens. Close enough, man. Nico, you get too close to every fucking one. That's so annoying. Yeah, but you're Slovakian, so you kind of knew. Right, final round. It's all to play for. Julian's coming for me as well. Oh, bro, this is close. Oh. One sign, please. Oh yeah, close enough. We'll take it. Did I do enough? I did. Get in. Oh my days. Alinka, get fucked. Wow. Look at that. That's crazy. That was actually super close. I can't lie. The moment I saw that, I was like, yes, we're in here. All right, chat. Look, I'm going to hit the gym right now. It's been a long day of trading. But realistically, I think it's a decent one. Came out with a dub on top. I'm still going to trade. Well, I'm still going to trade the PM session. But that's going to be in the signals channel. Other than that, go hit the gym. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Trade responsibly. All that shit. Peace out. Much love, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.